Yo, what's going on guys? Gaming Bubba here, and today we're going to be playing some murder mystery. Yay! And yeah, let's just get right into it. And guys, make sure you... Oh, I'm the murderer? I mean, not the murderer, sorry. The chef. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, comment when you're done. And I'll be, yeah, hope you guys like it. Oh. Tomb says, I forgot the name, but someone here do not sit. Too bad. Well, the murderer could be... I feel like the murderer is like... could be close. It's just... Hello. Are you the murderer? Are you the murderer? I think I already saw the murderer. Shh. If you... Bacon here. Oh yeah, you can go outside. I might go outside.
Yes.
And if you need to drop a bang. I'm gonna go outside, and I think it's this way. Manly, not manly. Okay, where is the murderer? Feel like he's not moving because I haven't heard anything yet. Here. Oh crap, the murderer's here. Are you sure? Oh, Jesus, I wrote that wrong. Looks like it's raining outside. Anyways. Okay guys, sorry about that, because I just had to tell my dad something. Well, who am I? Please tell me. Oh, I'm the ouch! I hurt my toe. I'm the chef again. Can you please move? I've got the ravioli. And oh, I think this is the house. Can you go outside? That's cool. Oh, that's it. There's a grill. Oh, nothing else, just a grill. Cooking some burgers. Open it loud and have some more. What the heck is going on with this dog? Oh wait, I think this is another, like a dog scarf. Like, he looks suspicious. Dog. Oh, lovely. Bye. How did I not see the knife in his hand? Man. Well, I might do like 2 more games. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I had, but I died. Okay. A straw with it, please. Whoa, yes, I made it. 6. Okay, I just got a drink. Whoa, that was loud. Okay, no one who's I wish you can. Whoa, something's sticking. Just pouring outside. Something's really. Sorry about that loud thing. That was just my curtain. I'm actually not. I wish I did. I wish this computer that I'm on right now was in my room so I don't have to deal with people out here. Did we win or not? I think we lost again. Bet it was safe. Well, guys, do you know how I said we're going to do 2 more? Might do another 2 more. It's just because this game is fun. Wait. Oh, whatever. Another 2 more. Okay, we're starting. Forgot what I am. Oh, dang it. Well, kind of cool because when you're safe, it's hard to control the gun, and when you're the murderer, it's hard to control the knife because, yeah, but when you're an intruder, it's good. And you were walking out the sky. Wait. No. Oh my god, how did I not see the knife again? Oh my god. One more round after this and then the video is going to be ended. Sorry. Well, why did I do that? It hurts in my throat. Ow. Okay. Wonderful intruders will win this time. When you want me. Well guys, I think that's just gonna wrap up the video today. So guys, make sure you did all those things, subscribe and all that. Hope you did. And just, yeah. Sorry if my voice sounded weird in that whole video. It's just because, yeah, I don't really know what's going on. But I think it's just fine. And yeah, so that's just gonna wrap it up. So bye. Hope you loved the video. Doing some more in the future. Bye. Peace.